In a sun-kissed field, Fatima dances with joyous abandon, painting the idyllic scene with her laughter. Butterflies flutter, and wildflowers bloom, as Fatima's innocent spirit blends seamlessly with the beauty of nature. With delicate steps and tender smiles, Fatima approaches the timid creature, offering a dandelion as a symbol of gentle kinship. The rabbit cautiously sniffs the flower before taking a tentative bite. A tender, unspoken connection forms between them. Through sun-drenched days and starlit nights, their bond deepens with each shared moment. Beneath the sheltering branches of the grand oak, their friendship blossoms, a testament to enduring love. Her father's grave tone cuts through the silence. Fatima, your mother and I have something important to tell you. Her mother's voice echoes the decision. We've decided to move to the city. Fatima's world crumbles as she cries out. But what about my friends? Her voice cracks with raw emotion. But I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave my friend. In a tender embrace, Fatima holds the rabbit